So if you joined me last time, you'll have seen that I fixed the smashed-in boot lid here. And today I'm going to be painting it and finishing the whole job and just forgetting that it ever happened. I'm not going to waste any more of your time, let's just get straight into that. And so there we have it. There's one dent inexpertly removed. I will be honest, my methods aren't great, but it's the best I can do with what I have. This paint finish is actually looking really good. It's probably the best I've ever done with metallic base coat. We still need to wet sand this, so I'm going to be leaving it for about 2 weeks to sort of harden. And next I'll be getting on with this dent right here before replacing the bumper. And in the next episode I'll be doing something a little bit different, and it's something I've been wanting to do for years on this car, and I'm finally getting around to it. So I'll see you then, and thank you very much for watching.